Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to not have a recipe. I just wanted to talk to you and share my feelings about being thankful. Let's start with this question. What is the opposite of thankfulness? You probably are out there coming up with all kinds of things, but I'll give you what I think it is. It's fault finding and complaining is the opposite of being thankful. I'm going to show you something that I'm sure you've seen many times as an object lesson. Here's a glass, and it's half filled with juice. Now you can look at your life as being half filled, half full, or half empty. So having an attitude or a life that is half full is one I believe is more thankful and more grateful. Whereas if you look at your life as being half empty, all the things you don't have, and you do nothing but fault find and complain. Now, what I've noticed in recent years about advertising, commercials, and even in our stores is that we go from Halloween and we jump right into Christmas. Decorations, there's nothing usually around about Thanksgiving. But I think Thanksgiving is really important. When you think of the name of the holiday, it's Thanksgiving. Let's switch it around. Giving thanks. And when I started to think about being more thankful, living a life that is from the glass half full, I found out a lot of things. There's a lot of research that has been done on being thankful and grateful and appreciative of others. Here's some of the ones I found. If you are thankful, you sleep better. That's number one. Because all of the places I looked, being able to sleep better, because I think your mind is calmer and you don't think about all the negative things that have gone on during the day, and you're more thankful that you have a bed and a pillow, and maybe when it's cold you have a blanket, and in the summertime you have an air conditioner or a fan, so you sleep better. And the next thing was that you're less stressed. And you're less stressed. Now think about that. If you're just being thankful and appreciative, you don't have as much stress. My dad used to have a saying, and he told me this. He said, if you go looking for it, you'll find it. And I said, Daddy, what is it? He said, anything you're looking for. So if you're looking for the negative things in life from the half-empty glass, you will be complaining because you went looking for it and you did find it, even though it wasn't something that was good for you. Another benefit is you have more energy. Doctors have found you have more energy, those people that are more grateful and thankful. You have better health. They have found, listen to this, researchers have found that it lowers your blood pressure, you have fewer aches and pains, and you have an improved immune system because you have chosen to be thankful and to be grateful. And this is one that I surmised it might be in another one that I didn't look in, but this is something I came up with as a list of all of those things that I was finding, is that people probably like you more. They want to be around people that are thankful, grateful, and appreciative, rather than those that every time they see you, they think, oh no, here comes the complainer. And they kind of move away from you. You don't even realize it. But if you start being grateful about the smallest of things, people will notice it, and you'll have, people will want to be around you more. It reduces, now this one I thought was interesting, it reduces materialism. You're not so apt to think about wanting so many things that you're happy with what you have. So it reduces materialism. It improves your self-esteem. You think better about yourself when you are more thankful. And you don't find faults with everything else. And this is the last one. It strengthens your family relationships. If you will be thankful for the people in your own house, if you begin to thank them for the things that they've done, appreciate what they've done, notice it and say something about it. I'm not saying, every other little thing they do, like, oh, thank you for picking up that fork and for sweeping the floor. You could do that, but just a genuine, heartfelt appreciation for who the people in your family is, whatever. So just begin to be more thankful, guys. Be more thankful. And I want you to take this away with you, that if you live from the glass half full, thinking about what you already have, this is what you already have. Don't worry about what you don't have. Then you can live a life that's more thankful and more grateful. I want you to do this, that every day when you wake up, you can write these down if you want. Yeah, maybe that's what we'll do. You write them down and share them with me. Share those things that you are thankful for when you wake up or during the day. And let's begin to share them with one another and appreciate each other. Appreciate your family. Just say, Berta, I thought about this and I thank this one for that. And the people that I work with or the people in my community, let's begin to share with one another in the comment section. I'll even share mine on the community posts so that you can see what I'm thankful for. So let's begin to be a more grateful, thankful, and appreciative group of troopers, and not always find complaints and faults with everybody. Okay? Can you do that? Do that for yourself and do it for your family and those around you. And you'll be a much happier person. And so until next time, thanks for watching.